I'm really glad to be here, really happy. It's difficult for me कि इतना बड़ा gathering में मैं ना बहुत हिल जाता हूँ, but I'm really enjoying myself for a change. मैं यहाँ क्यों रहा हूँ? Why have I stayed? I'll tell you different times. There were different reasons and मैं मेरा जिंदगी ये रिकवरी में आप लोग को थोड़ा शेयर करूँगा. पूरा नहीं, बट जितना कोशिश कर सकता हूँ, जितना समय में. मैं एक संस्था में जमा हुआ था, जैसे बहुत जन हमारे यहाँ जमा हुए, और मैं वहाँ 14 महीना रहा. आई स्टेड देयर फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, 14 months, बिकॉज आई वाज टू स्कैर्ड टू कम आउट. मैं 17 साल नशा किया था. नशा करके द थिंग दैट आई कुड स्टे क्लीन, वो बिलीफ मेरे अंदर नहीं था. एंड मैं जब बाहर आया, शायद luck, kismet, fate, I don't know what. The one thing that stuck in my mind in those 14 months of rehab was, if you want to stay clean, go to an NA meeting. And उस मैसेज को लेके मैं NA में पहुंचा था. And this was in Calcutta. And I remember my first meeting was in a group that's very close to my heart, Group of Hope. There was no faith. विश्वास नहीं था कि NA में जाऊंगा, क्लीन रहूंगा. बहुत डर था. There was a lot of fear. क्यों 17 साल नशा नहीं किया था, 14 महीना रिहैब में आंखें खुल गए थे, और मैंने देखा था मैंने मेरा जिंदगी कैसे बर्बाद करके रख दिया था. Every part of my life was, destroyed and in ashes. So it was with a lot of fear that I came to NA. And there was nothing to laugh about in my life. There was no joy in my life. कोई खुशी नहीं था, नौकरी नहीं था, नौकरी करने का हिम्मत नहीं था, आशा नहीं था, पैसा नहीं था. There was nothing, really nothing in my life. And कुछ दिन आते आते, छोटे लाल का चाय शॉप में बैठते थे. 3-4 जन थे मेरे जैसे, सारे कंगले, बेकार, घर में परेशान हो रहे हैं. घर में 5 रुपए के लिए 2 घंटे का लेक्चर मिल रहा है. एंड वी वुड सिट टुगेदर एंड वी वुड लाफ एट ईच अदर्स प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम इन माय लाइफ देयर वाज अ लिटिल लाफ्टर. एंड आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, आई हैड स्पेंट अ लॉन्ग टाइम अलोन इन द लास्ट 4-5 years ऑफ माय यूजिंग, कि कुछ लोग मिल गए जिनके साथ मैं बैठ के थोड़ा हंस सकता था. एंड very quickly I started looking forward in the whole day for that hour before the meeting, कि मैं वहाँ पहुँचूँ तो थोड़ा राहत मिलेगा. So maybe when I look back, मैं आया और मैं रहा क्योंकि थोड़ा हंसी मिला, a little bit of चाय. There was still no hope कि मैं नशा मुक्त रह सकूँगा, whether I will stay clean, whether I will वो ज्यादा दूर सोचता था. एंड आई वुड गेट फ्रीक्ड आउट कि 17 साल नशा किया हूं, आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी एबल टू स्टे क्लीन. बट व्हेन आई वुड लैंड अप एट छोटे लाल्स चाय शॉप, एंड व्हेन 3 of us would gather and all of us would laugh that we're all screwed, but it's okay, I would hang in there. And NA was the first group of friends that I found after a long time. And we would hang around together, we would scrape in a little bit of money, buy a dish and share it half, and very slowly I started getting a little comfortable with some people, and slowly a few days clean started accumulating. And I think I stayed on because of that. I stayed on because when I was hanging around at the side of the crowds at the chai shop after the meeting, I didn't have money to buy tea. Someone would call me and say, here, ये ले एक चाय पी ले यार तू. That little bit of love, something made me hang in there till the hope, till the faith grew a little bit more. Because in the beginning there was no faith in NA. There was just fear that अगर मैं ये कमरा छोड़ के जाऊं तो नशा आ जाएगा मेरे जिंदगी में. ये कमरा में रहूं तो शायद, वो भी शायद था कि शायद मैं नशा मुक्त रह सकूंगा. एक समय आया जब मैं कलकत्ता छोड़ा and I came to Delhi. By then I was 3 years clean. There had been a little faith. I'd got used to coming to meetings. I had a bunch of fellowship friends in Calcutta. And मैं दिल्ली आया and it was as if everything was erased. And जिस दिन मैं दिल्ली आया, I think I would, again as I say, there was some element of good sense that happened to lurk somewhere in between me and I landed up at a meeting. It's a meeting that I still go to, Winds of Change. It's a meeting that's very dear to my heart. वो हिंदी वाला मीटिंग था, मैं बैठा हुआ था, मेरे को हिंदी में कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. वैसे ही मैं एक अंग्रेज का औलाद था, ज्यादातर बंगाली भी ज्यादा समझ में नहीं आता था. यहाँ हिंदी में एक शब्द मेरा कान में घुसा, सब लोग बोल रहे थे यार भसुड़ी है जिंदगी में, और मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता था ये भसुड़ी क्या होता है यार. सारे बोल रहे भसुड़ी है, भसुड़ी है, भसुड़ी है, भसुड़ी है. It took me 20 days to figure out Vasudi means problems. I was like, oh fuck, that is it, huh? But then I got friends again here, and I started building those networks within the fellowship, a few people to laugh with, to smile with, because even in Delhi those days there was nothing in my life to smile about. I didn't have a job. There was fear कि अब क्या करूं, वापस कलकत्ता जाना पड़ेगा, लोग बोलेंगे यार तूने वहां जाके कुछ झंडा नहीं गाड़ा, वापस आ गया इधर. But there was a fellowship, there was a little bit of laughter that came back into my life, and then I got a job, and then I got married, and then I became a father, and suddenly life hit me like a freight train. I didn't know whether I was coming or going, and I just kept staying in there. I don't know why I stayed. इतना हलचल मेरा दिमाग में चल रहा है तो मैं नशा कर लूंगा. तो मैं वो Winds of Change का मीटिंग का कोने में बैठा रहता था, and I would keep thinking. I still remember those meetings, and I would think यार शेयर करूं ना करूं. जब तक ये कमेटी मेरा सर में बोलता था हाथ उठा ले, मैं हाथ उठाता था. चेयरपर्सन बोलता था मीटिंग के 5 मिनट का समय है, उसका टर्न है, उसका टर्न है, उसका टर्न है, आप अगले मीटिंग में शेयर कीजिए. ऐसे करते करते कई साल बीत गए. But I stayed clean because I just hung in there, and it was sheer fear that there is so much going on in my life. I am struggling to understand how to be a husband, how to be an employee, how to be a father, how to be an NA member. That if I leave these classrooms, अगर मैं आप लोग को छोड़ के चला जाऊं तो मैं बच नहीं सकूंगा, और मैं आप लोग को पकड़ के वो क्लासरूम के एक कोने में बैठा रहा. कई साल बीत गए, एंड वो बहुत मुश्किल के एक नौकरी मिल गया. वो नौकरी में ज्यादा तरक्की नहीं हो रहा था, उम्र बढ़ रहा था. I was, age was catching up. I was getting close to. Around this time, I started vocalizing something that had been going on for a long time inside my life. In any outside, I am very good at wearing masks. I am like a chameleon. I adopt behaviors and manners of people and places because I need to belong. It's a big need in my life. तो मैं NA में भी आके लोग बोलते थे प्रार्थना करो, pray, believe in God, and things will happen. And throughout my recovery, I tried praying. It didn't work. I just felt like a hypocrite. I didn't believe in God. I tried. I really tried. तो मैं एक दिन उठ के बोला यार भाई, I don't believe in God. मैं नास्तिक हूँ. And suddenly I found a lot of members judging me, and that was a very dark patch in my recovery. मैं बहुत अकेला गिर गया था because I was having problems with my wife, because as an NA member I had to learn how to be a husband. So my wife would ask, where is the intimacy in our relationship? And I was like, what is intimacy? I'm paying for the rations in the house, and what else do you want me to do? I was struggling to be a father, and here even in NA, suddenly people said, oh shit, tu Bhagwan pe vishwas nahi karta hai, tu to bimar hai. And a few people very helpfully came and told me, oh shit, you don't believe in God, you'll relapse. So this guy doesn't believe in God, he isn't working the program, and I hung in there during that period of recovery through sheer terror, because life was so dark in all areas, and in my head I said, if I walk away from these rooms, I am not going to survive here. And then I got a good job, and I started doing well, and life started telling me that you're okay, And slowly the confidence came, and I said, "ठीक है यार, I don't believe in God, and it's okay. That's my way of working the program. I don't write the steps. I haven't ever written the steps, but I practice the program to the best of my ability, and this is my way." And very slowly the confidence kept coming back, and my fellowship में अटक गया. I started developing a set of friends who accepted me as I am, and you know that. The staying out of sheer fear lessened. I stayed because I felt that if I keep coming back, I will not have to use a faith in any that, you know, this is my higher power reinforced itself, and my reh gaya. Still have a beautiful relationship. My daughter started growing up. I started learning how to become a father, and I realized my childhood is the best teacher of how to be a parent. I just did the exact opposite of what my mother and father did, and it turned out to be good, and I have a really beautiful relationship with my daughter, who's now a grown-up young lady. And I stayed during this time because there was a lot of beauty and a lot of excitement in my life. In between that time, I had a heart attack, and the fellowship enveloped me like, you know, in a warm hug. They came, they did meetings at home, and I said, "नहीं लिखते हो, जो भी हो, आप सही हो." And I stayed and I blossomed among you all because of the love that you all gave it. And over the last 2 years, I walked away from job, and I was wondering what to do, and there was a bit of a dark place inside my head. And I stayed again because I knew if I don't stay among you all, I will not be able to survive, and things have improved. So I'll cut it short. There were two things that over the years, that have stuck with me. One is, even today, I stay amongst you all because today there's faith that if I stay amongst you all, अगर मैं आप लोग के बीच में रहता हूँ, मैं नशा मुक्त रहूँगा. If I stay among you all, I will not have to use it. Today, that's a bedrock of faith, and that's why I keep coming back. And the other thing that I learned during my journey is, don't judge people out of this room. I came very close to walking out of this room during that patch of my recovery. I'm glad I didn't. I wouldn't have survived it. Today I've learned that as many people sit in this little tent, there are that many ways to do recovery. I just know what is right for me. And I will tell you all, मैं क्यों रहा. I don't know why you all will stay. But I can tell you only thing that I can tell you all. I have no right to tell you all how to stay, what is the right way to stay. I don't know what is the right way. I can tell you what is the right way. He stumbled his way through recovery, and that's all I know. Thank you for letting me share.